These are all getting very greedy birds. I think they're a different bird. But they were all packing on the hose there, and they actually have been fed already. And so, oh yeah, they're up there flying around. But they come in a little pack and they just want more and more and more. And I can't give them everything they want. Well, at least they cleaned up what was there today. Otherwise, they'd be like getting a scolding for feeding the birds. But I read it on the internet, right? That feeding birds is a good thing, especially native birds in the summer. You should always keep some, especially like a bowl of water out so they can have a bath and stuff. We don't have a bath, but I give them food instead, so to energize them so that they don't feel as lethargic, but they get greedy. After a while they get greedy and they always come back expecting more and more. And you don't give them everything they want,